got it? Don't even work. Don't work. Do the same thing. Don't work.
Reloading. Right behind the couch.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another gameplay from back in 2019. This gameplay, I believe we were playing CSGO of some sort. ようこそ皆さん、チャンネル戻ってきてありがとうございます。で、今回のゲームプレイはまた2019年ぐらいのゲームプレイですね。で、多分このゲームは、CSGO っていうゲームだったはず。Now, there was a few little things going on in here, and I hope you guys enjoy. 皆さんちょっといろいろハプニングがあったので、楽しんでください。ありがとうございます。
What you see? What you see?
Oh shit! Why is this unsafe?
I got you.
Ton, your gun don't work.
No, pull the trigger forward. Oh, pull it forward. Pull the trigger forward. Oh, no moving! He gonna leave me.
He wants one. He wants one. Oh.
Huh?
What the hell?
Oh, you have it.
What happened?
The mobile's on.
Now how are you gonna know that? He gives me the same reaction. I'll be like, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's okay, just use the chef. I don't need it.
Oh, you don't want a glove?
Alright.
You don't see anybody?
I don't see anyone.
Let him go first since he got a pistol. He can just look and see if he's there. That's shit trash.
The shield broke. Oi, Yaro. It's up on this corner.
Corner?
Yeah,
What corner?
this corner.
Right side?
Straight ahead to me. I don't see anything here. I'm blind.
Is Red still back there?
Sure.
Hey, push up, Red, push up.
You see him? They're probably right around this corner. You're clear, you're clear. He's right behind me, right behind me, right behind me.
This is good? This is clear?
Yeah, clear. Oh, yellow.
ストップ。一人誰か来て、一人来て。一人よくさんいないよ。
Let me see. Behind the green couch.
オッケーオッケー。
Oh, pink.
こっち横井さん横井さん。
横入るよ。
様子見ていい？
はいはい。
下気をつけて下こっから。
Yeah, here.
はい。
You got it?
見えなかった
Tell me where. Tell me where. Do the same thing. Tell me where.
Ah, reloading. Right behind the couch, right here. Again? For real?
Got him. Got me in my temple. He said it's temple. So look in with the strong shield. Wait. See him?
Yeah, he's on the corner. He backed up. Yeah, they're both on the corner. Oh, hit. For real? Am I out of gas? Again?
Let's pick the duo. I don't got no.
This will bring us to the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, sub, and share. Just throw in the comments, let me know what you liked and what you didn't like, and let me know what you'd like to see in my next video. 皆さんありがとうございました。このビデオを楽しんでできてくれたら、登録、コメントとシェアをお願いします。で、コメントの中で何が好きと、次のビデオで何やってほしいかって入れてください。And I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.